Hello, I'm here in the park, surrounded by flowers. Look at this yellow flower, it's beautiful. And our flowers come from seeds, don't they? Have you planted some seeds this year? This little boy is planting seeds. He plants 10 seeds, but I wonder if they all turn into flowers. Let's see. 10 Seeds by Ruth Brown. 10 seeds. So he makes a little hole, puts his seed in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 ant. The ant has taken the seed. 9 seeds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 pigeon. The pigeon is eating the seed. Oh no. There's some worms under the soil, wiggly wiggly worms. And the seeds are starting to make some roots. They're getting bigger. 8 seeds. There's just 8 seeds left because the ant took 1 and the pigeon took 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The mouse took 1. The seeds are growing their roots down, 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 and they're just starting to shoot up, up, up as well. But the mouse, I think, is going to eat it. Yum, 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 yum. 7 shoots. They're just shooting. You can see the green leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's our wiggly worms. And they've got lots of roots now. And they're shooting up, making green leaves. But the slug says, delicious. He's eating up one of our shoots. Yum, 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 says the slug. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shoots. 1 mole. The mole has got a hat, a green hat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seedlings. The shoots have got bigger, bigger, bigger. And they're like little plants now. They're seedlings. But the cat is digging. Oh no. One of the seedlings has gone away. 1, 2, 3, 4 small plants. 1 ball. The boy hit the ball into the plants and he knocked one over. Oh dear. 1, 2, 3 big plants. 1 puppy. There's a baby dog. The puppy has knocked over one of the plants. Oh no. He's after the ball. 1, 2. 2 buds. There's the bud. Where the flower will open is the bud. Now this ladybird is eating, yum, 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 all the green fly. But here there are too many green fly and no one to eat them. And this bud has died. 1 flower. 1 bee. There's a bumblebee. then seeds. Lots of seeds grew out of the sunflower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and the little boy can collect the seeds so he can plant some more next year. Look, there's the boy with his seeds, and it all starts again. Plant your seeds and they grow into a flower. Hopefully they all grow, and then you can plant some more seeds the next year. Have fun planting seeds. Bye bye.